Hey, ignore my mess. I am working on a project, but this is just a little reminder that when you purchase our DIY herbalism course, you get volume 1, you get volume 2, you get your Materia Medica workbook inserts. So these will go in your three ring binder. Those are my birds flying around. You will also get your 3 certificates of completion for the course. Now, this is not an accredited course. These are just to signify that you completed both Volume 1 and Volume 2. And that is Bundle 1. And then you can purchase the second bundle, which also includes the Materia Medica Add-On pages. There are 6 different add-ons in here in this one bundle, and I'm going to show them to you here in our sample book, and it's sticky because it actually gets used. So here's the how to use the workbook, which will come in your workbook packet. There's your cover page, and then after the cover page I have all of my add-on pages. So here, the glare, we have Herbal Actions Quick Reference, and that is 2, 4, 6 pages. Then we have our Harvest Timing Quick Reference, which is 2, 4 pages. We have our Drying and Preserving Quick Reference, which is 2 pages. Our Companion Planting Quick Reference, which is 2, 4 pages. Soil Fixes Quick Reference, which is 2 pages. Expanded Herbs by Body System. Now this is the biggest bundle. It is 12 sheets of paper or 24 pages. And this is one of my favorite reference guides. Let's see if we can find one here. So herb, St. John's wort, the Latin name, the actions, it's a nervine, antidepressant, and antiviral. Energetics are warming and drying. It's best for mild depression and nerve pain. Safety notes. Caution, it has medication interactions. And at the bottom of each page, you'll have a notes section. At the top, it explains for the nervous system, primary functions supported, stress response, mood regulation, sleep, focus, nerve signaling, tension and relaxation balance, emotional stability. Let's see, here's a urinary system, all the same stuff, corn silk, nettle leaf, dandelion leaf, parsley. So this goes through each body system. Like there's the endocrine system here. And then we have expanded. We have some minerals and binders in here as well. The musculoskeletal system. Like I said, this is my favorite reference. And skin and, oh my goodness, I gotta go rescue a bird. And then this is the rest of the Materia Medica packet that comes with your bundles. But what you might not know is that you can actually purchase all of these add-ons separately without purchasing the course, which is pretty cool if I do say so myself. So that's your quick little reminder for the day to check out the DIY Herbalism course and pick yourself up some knowledge. Also, really quickly before I go save my bird, These books do have the covers on them. I just filmed them without the covers because of the horrible glare.